Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. This is your host, Elgin Martinez from the Immigrant Edification Channel, the only channel that addresses real immigrant issues, coming to you with another informative video. But ladies and gentlemen, this video is going to be about the fact that the Biden administration has decided to remove the term alien out of the USCIS policy manual. That being said, ladies and gentlemen, one DHS official told BuzzFeed News the removal of the term reference to alien in the manual would create a less adversarial tone. That being said, ladies and gentlemen, United States and Citizenship and Immigration Services officials are planning to remove reference to immigrants as alien in the agency's policy manual more than a year after the term was inserted into the guidance during the Trump administration, according to government documents obtained by BuzzFeed News. That being said, ladies and gentlemen, the move to insert the term alien and replace all reference to foreign nationals came in the fall of 2019 when Ken Cuccinelli was the leader of USCIS. That being said, ladies and gentlemen, the plan wording change is part of Biden's administration effort to cut down on the use of the term alien and to alter the way immigrants are described by federal government. That being said, ladies and gentlemen, the move also comes just weeks after the agency officials directed leadership to no longer use the terminology in agency's communication. That being said, ladies and gentlemen, we've come to the end of this video. Please share, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so that you can be informed whenever I upload another video. Last but not least, thanks to all my viewers and subscribers, and thanks for your continued support. And ladies and gentlemen, do not make your present situation define you. Ladies and gentlemen, nothing in life is constant. Things change, and so do our situation. That being said, ladies and gentlemen, we've come to the end of this video.